What's good with y'all? It's your boy Young Fine 99XX. Today we're gonna be doing something generous. Not even generous, we just righting the wrong. My friend who gave me this setup, he also gave me a tufting gun. Like literally as soon as I tufted that video for y'all, I started tufting his rug and the gun broke on me. Bought new scissors for it and all, and it just will not cooperate with me. So today we're gonna be making him a pair of spiked pants. This isn't worth the same amount as a tufting gun. Hopefully one day I can save enough to get a new gun and get that man right with an even cooler rug. But yeah. Let's get into it. Some 3D spike pants. Some of you may have seen this on my Instagram. Do a few spike pieces. I actually made a spike piece today, but these are gonna be a little longer because it's for a long person. Goddamn. So let's get into it. Let's make this giraffe some pants. All right, look. The first thing I'm gonna have to do is pop these seams so I can get them open, so we can work on them. So let's do that.
Yeah, I don't know what that was, but like I said, popping the seams, one leg, him. Up the side of the other leg, nothing too crazy.
Pop the damn seams. Now I need to take my ruler and take my pins and just measure where I want the spikes to be, and I'm gonna pin up the spots. Shh, you ain't see me use these pins though. Don't tell nobody I be using pins, just for really particular, precise stuff. Let's take a second to look at how tall these pants are, bro. Like they're taller than me when I'm sitting down. When I stand up, I'm 5'10", 5'11". These hoes reach my nipples. How that boy just walk around like this? I could never. But anyway, yeah, let's place these spikes.
All right, so I'm starting here, and I believe I went about 8 inches from the pocket, and I made them 7 inches apart, and I put 5 spikes down. So that's just me measuring them up and getting them exactly where I want them.
Okay, considering I only have so many pins, I just pinned up one side, and I already made the triangles, the spikes, another day. So I'm gonna stuff these up and we're gonna sew on one side.
All right, like I said, we're just stuffing them up. And the best way to do this is don't try to stuff it all at once. Take small pieces and put them in and really stick it in there so you can get a nice even stuff. And actually stuff it up a little bit extra so you have some sewing room as well.
You made a bit recording? All right. You see me with the 5 spikes. 5 spikes. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these on the pants. That's all we got really left to do. I'm gonna throw these on the right leg, and then we're gonna pin and stuff the left leg and shit. That's drip. But yeah, let's get to it.
So the best way to do this is I throw it in and I sew it about a 1/2 inch from the outside of the circle, and I go all the way around once, and then I do it another time about 1/4 inch away from the last 1/2 inch circle I sewed. So you'll see 2 lines on the outside.
All right, man, this is where we at right now. We got the spikes on one leg. Looking nice, looking sharp. Ah, shit. Fuck. But yeah, now I just gotta pin up this side, put them spikes on, and then boom. Got yourself some my telephone pole pants. Look at this size, bro. This is ungodly. 3440. Since we got the same waist, I'ma definitely try these hoes on. These motherfuckers gonna fit stacked. All right, shit. This is as far as we got today. I got this side done. I got this side pinned up, and I got my other spikes over there. So we ready. That means tomorrow all I'll have to do is and then close them up, and then that's it. Yeah, so we back at it. All right, I really did the other side off camera because there's no need for you to watch me sew 5 more spikes on. But honestly, I'm not gonna lie, we got the same waist size, so I'm finna sew these up and I'm finna throw these things on.
All right, and you already know what this is. Find that same spot that you popped whenever you open the hem, and you just sew in that same line down. Just closing them up, that's all.
All right, let me flip this thing. Am I in front? Not my head top, but like left and right. All right, we flip these things. And this man said he's hip to the open hem, so I'm just gonna iron those flat. All right, bro. This is so much goddamn fabric. Booma.
What? That was your car design? No offense, my fault, my fault.
What's wrong with it?
Like it was silly, but there was no bang to it. It was like, pow!
Oh, okay. I'll just edit yours over and all right. I'm gonna iron this hem down there and see what these things look like. They probably look extra stacked on me. I don't know. These spikes are definitely cool. He stacked that pants. Yeah, these look wild. We agreed that he wanted the smaller spikes because the other ones were a little too dramatic. And it won't look as stacked on him because you know he's a giant. But these are crazy. I kind of like the tinier spikes more.
One week later.
All right, here we go. The lamp post in its glory.
Bruh.
Stunting, stunt on him.
You know, bruh?
Stunt on him.
You know, bruh?
Had to get my boy right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, you did your thing for real, though. Like, I never seen something like this.
All right, tell me your favorite and least favorite thing about him.
I don't think I have a least favorite thing, bruh.
Come on, you heard that, boy.
I think it's just like, you know, like even the little, this right here.
The raw hem.
All that, bruh. I don't know the names, but you know.
Come on, you hear that, boy. You hear that, boy. You're crazy for making it to the end. But since you did, you might as well go ahead and sub, hit that notification bell, let a friend know, and tap into my socials. This is my social, this is my brand social. If you ever need something made, or you just want to support, those are it. Thank y'all for making it this far to the end, and remember the past, because that's who made you the person you are today.